Hello, little stars! Today we're going to stack cubes together. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's build a tower with cubes. Let's put this cube on top. Can you say on top? On top. Good job! Let's put another cube on top. On top. Wonderful! Now what are we going to do with this cube? Put it on top. Can you say top? Top. Let's put on top. Wonderful. Let's put another cube on top. Good job. What do we do with this cube? Put it on top. Very good. On top. Let's put more cubes on top. Can you say on top? On top. Very good. Let's put another cube on top. On top. Oh, our tower is getting higher. Let's put another cube on top. On top. Let's put another cube on top. On top. Now look, we built a tower. Can you say tower? Good job. How many cubes did we stack? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cubes. Can you show me 10 with your fingers? 10. Wonderful. Now how about we sort the blocks by placing them on top of its matching color? Where do you think this green block goes? Do you think it goes here? No. Do you think it goes here? No. Do you think it goes here? Yes, look, they're the same color. They're color green. What about this cube? What color is this cube? It's yellow. Can you find the matching cube? It's this one, because it's also yellow. Good job. Now what color is this cube? It's red. Where do you think the red cube goes? Does it go here? No. Does it go here? No. Does it go here? Yes, look, it's the same color. It's matching. Now what color is this cube? It's blue. Good job. Where does blue cube go? Does it go here? No. Does it go here? No. Does it go here? Yes. Now what color is this cube? It's green. Good job. Where does the green cube go? Does it go here? No. Does it go here? Yes. Look, it's the same color. Now what color is this cube? It's yellow. Where does the yellow cube go? Can you guess? Yes, it goes right here. Look, it's the same color. Now what color is this cube? It's red. Good job. Where does the red cube go? Over here. Beautiful. Let's put it on top. We have one more cube left. What color is this cube? It's blue. Very good. Where does the blue cube go? Does it go here? No. Does it go here? No. Does it go here? Yes. Wow, look, we sorted all the cubes. And they're all different colors. Can you name the colors with me? Let's say it together. Green, blue, yellow, red. Wonderful. Wow, little stars, you did an amazing job. I hope you had fun. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.